Okay, so first we have potato. Let's say potato.
Potato.
Butter.
Butter.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Salt.
Salt.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Peas.
Peas.
Very good. So here we can see some ingredients or some stuff that we can use to eat, right? So my favorite dish.
My favorite dish.
Very good. My favorite dish. So the dish means the food that you're going to eat, like pasta, okay, rice and chicken, okay. Favorite dish is like it's the same to say my favorite food, okay, my favorite dish. So now listen. Today I want to tell you how to make my favorite dish.
Today I want to tell you how to make my favorite dish.
You need to mix potatoes
You need to bake potatoes
and you need a piece of fish.
and you need a piece of fish.
You need some milk and butter.
You need some milk and butter.
And you need a lot of cheese.
And you need a lot of cheese.
You need some salt and pepper.
You need some salt and pepper.
And you need some nice fresh peas.
And you need some nice fresh peas.
Very good. You cook the 2 potatoes
You cook the 2 potatoes.
and you mash them in a pot.
And you mash them in a pot.
You cook the peas in the water
You cook the peas in water.
and you make them nice and hot.
And you make them nice and hot.
You can say you cook the fish in milk now
You cook the fish in milk now.
and you put it in a dish.
And you put it in a dish.
You take the peas and butter.
You take a piece and butter.
You take the peas and butter.
You take a piece,
Then
the piece and butter.
and you mix them with the fish.
And you mix them with the fish.
You add the mashed potatoes
You add the mashed potatoes.
and you put the cheese on top.
And you put the cheese on top.
You cook it in the oven.
You cook it in the oven.
When it's brown on top, you stop.
When it's brown on top, you stop.
Okay, very good. So here we can see how they made their favorite dish. Okay, so how they made it. Okay, they are cooking some fish with cheese, with potato, with peas. They're making with milk too, so they mix and everything. So they are teaching us how to make this dish. Okay, how to make it. Example, if you say my favorite dish is the fried chicken, you can say fried chicken. How do you make it? I can say I put some sauce, I put salt, I put peas, I put cheese, I put many things, whatever you want to, whatever how you do it. Okay. So here, let's see. We have some vocabulary. Today I want to tell you how to make it. Okay. I want to tell you how to make my favorite dish. Okay. So we need the 2. What they need?
Two big potatoes.
First, they need the 2 big potatoes, okay? 2 big potatoes, and then they need a
Fish.
okay. So a piece of fish. You mean that we have 1 fish, so we need a piece, okay? A piece of fish. Now, and then what they need?
Some milk and butter.
Very good. Some milk and butter. You understand? And then
A lot of cheese.
and a lot of cheese. Then
Some salt and pepper.
very good. Some salt and pepper. So here you can see some salt and peppers to make it. Here you can see the peppers like some things to put it to make it spicy sometimes. So to make it tasty, right? So and then we need
some nice fresh peas.
okay, some nice fresh peas. So here we have the green one, okay, the fresh one, okay. And then what do we need first? What do we do? What they do?
Cook the two potatoes.
Okay, so first they cook the two potatoes, right? They make it cook it, and then
You mash them in a pot.
okay, so they need to mash them, like make it like very soft. Okay, so you mash, like what is this soup? I don't know. You make it so soft. So then, what they need next?
You cook the peas in the water.
Okay, they cook the peas in water. Okay, so you boil it. You cook the peas, and then
Make them nice and hot.
make them nice and hot. Go next.
Cook the fish in milk.
So we cook the fish in the milk, okay? And
Put it in a dish.
then we take a dish, like a plate. We put the fish in the dish. Good. And
Make the cheese and butter.
okay. And we're gonna take the piece of the butter and peas. The peas is already cooked, and then we take the butter, okay, to put it. And then
Mix them with the fish.
okay, so the fish is in the dish. So we take the butter and the peas and we mix with the fish. Okay, let's go.
Add the mashed potatoes.
And then after mix the fish with the butter and peas, we add the mashed potato, okay, in the same dish. We add the mashed potato. What else?
Put the cheese on top.
Okay, we put the cheese on top. We don't need to mix it. We put on top of the fish with peas, with butter, and mashed potato. After doing it, we put the cheese on top. Okay, and then
Cook it in the oven.
cook it in oven. So we put it in the oven. Okay, like you can say this is the oven. We put in the oven. Okay. Yes, to make it hot and to make it brown and on the top. Okay, you know we have the stove that we cook, we boil water, everything. But we have the oven, the one we put everything and close it. Okay, so this make it cook, make it brown on top, right? Make the cheese brown like you know pizza.
Yes.
Yes, like how is the pizza? There's cheese and how it comes. It comes brown, everything like a crush, right? So, and it's very delicious. So you can make this dish. Can you make it?